300 Ghanaians boarded a plane back to Ghana today, and out of the 300, only 10 were legal. So it means 290 of them were illegal. That on its own should tell you, when it comes to ratios, the percentage of illegal immigrants that we have in South Africa. This is the song we have been singing all along, and people have been gaslighting us, calling us names, calling us xenophobic, when we are saying there is a crisis in the country. The whole situation has always been about documentation, and people have been taking this story and making it about something else. When you look at some of the characters, you realize why they failed in marriage, because they are not good listeners. They go all over the place where they can't even deal with the subject at hand. You realize that even in their marriages, when they argued, they were all over the place. And that's why I continue to say, people that reason like this, some of them have to be someone's husband, some of them have to be someone's wife. And then when you realize, right, you can't stick to a subject. You go all over the place. Could your wife, Harry, I don't like it when you come late. No, Mara, you don't cook for me. You don't what. Hey, the kids, this. I don't like it when you come back home late. No, Mara, men don't get respected. Men are not supported. I don't like it when you come back home late. You can't stick to the subject. And that's why some of you little nyalo little shoots. Oba when but barasitsi ba ngotse di paragraph mo Facebook. Check or mchita mos na ro hlopha ke lenyalo sneng. No wonder ka se khone dula ko lenyalong, because reasoning capacity ya gago I reason like motho o ka dulang lenyalong. The whole issue here has always been about documentation. You go all over the place talking about everything else except for documentation. Listening is a skill. Sticking to the subject. When you argue about something, you listen and you respond to what is being said. Don't go telling us about things we never mentioned. And this plane going to Ghana showed you the crisis we are dealing with. Guys, when there's a budget speech, the Minister of Finance gives a budget speech, they are talking about a budget that fits people that have been documented. The budget goes according to, we've got these amount of people that are documented, so this is the budget that we have for these people. So when you're gonna come here and only 10% of you are documented, 90% is not documented, how are we going to function as a country? But these ones that write paragraphs and call us names don't understand that aspect. And this is what we've been raising and crying about on social media, even marching on the streets. Those 290 Ghanaians don't have rare skills. They were just here to enjoy our economy. When a Ghanaian